this is what it looks like, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain our broth. I strain it into a bowl. I let it completely cool off, especially the chicken broth, because I find that if I don't, it's too hard on, I've actually gotten almost burnt and stuff, so I don't want to do that. So I just take the pan like this, and I strain it like that. And you're just going to dump it into the colander, into a bowl. That's it. And then we just shake it out like this. Let it drain. And then I usually throw this into a bag. I just put it in the pan. Just back in the pan. We're not going to save any of this. I always throw it away. Just let people know. I do throw it away. But wipe my hands, and this is what I do. So then what I do is this is what the broth looks like. And I put it in a container, and it's about 100 calories for a container, and it's 50 for the whole container for sodium. And it's good if you're going to make soup broth, because you don't get that much on these. So I just I do. I just put it in a container like that. One, two, three. And then I just put the lid on. Two, three. You should get about 3 containers is what you'll get. And you just put it in the freezer when you're done. One, two, three. And there you have it. Your broth. You can use it for sauces, gravies, chilies, soups, whatever. And it's healthy. It's 100 calories per container, but sodium's only 50, and some of the other soups in the can are like 300 for sodium. So that's low on sodium. It's healthy. There's nothing in it, and the only reason it's got the calories in is because I used onion. I had 2 onions in there. Well, 1 onion's like 66 calories, but then I added, there was some other stuff in there too that had some calories in it, because there was 2 onions that we put in there. So altogether, you can't beat it for 100 calories for a container of broth. And let's say you got sick and you wanted it, you got a perfect thing of broth. God bless everyone. Happy New Year to everyone. See you soon. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye.